No more CBEX withdrawal, but in this video, I'll be telling you one strategy CBEX will be using after even giving you a chance to withdraw your money out of CBEX. Welcome to Airdrop. Before I continue, smash this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section, react on this video, and don't forget to click on subscribe. Let me say and let me pass this into your hearing. There's one simple secret you don't understand about CBEX. CBEX is like pencil scheme, but you guys will never get me right. Let me say CBEX old investors are the one paying the new investors. The old investors are the one paying you using CBEX in 2025. So since there's no more old investors, withdrawing and the money to pay new investor is no more. So that is why they have to like hold the withdrawal for some times. But guys, let me give you this secret. Even though CBEX give you a chance to withdraw your money on the 15th or on the 14th, I can see a lot of people waiting for the update from CBEX. But guys, let me give you this secret. CBEX is going to be using one strategy. Whenever they give you a chance to withdraw your money on the 15th or let me say on the 14th of this month, then they are going to be using this one format where I'm going to be calling format 419. This format 419 is this strategy. When you are going to withdraw money, they will give you a chance to withdraw money for at least a whole 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, in that range of that 2 weeks, a lot of people will believe in them like mad, bringing more investors, bring a lot of people to come and start investing their money into CBEX. I think understand that format 419 I'm talking about. They will give you a chance to withdraw for 2 weeks. So on that 2-week range, they're going to like a lot of people will be like a lot of hype is going to come to CBEX again. Then you see that a lot of people will think this is legit platform because they are giving you a chance to start withdrawing your money again. So after 2 weeks or 1 month or more, nagbaga, it go happen to some people like that. So note my video, save my video, share my video to your friend and tell them this format 419. My name is Ite. You can actually hold me after the end of this video because I know you guys will never hear. Last week Sunday, not this week, last week Sunday, I was saying that you guys should go and withdraw money from CBEX. But some comments under my comment section say you don't know anything about CBEX. Why are you making us panicking? I don't understand why I'm making you guys panic. I'm not the CBEX CEO. I'm just trying to teach you the format CBEX is going to be using. So now, are you still having issue with your CBEX? And also, some people is having 15 million, some people 10 million, some people 3 million naira inside CBEX. But guys, I'm not going to tell you with my mouth. Now you go use your eyes now. Sunny pigeon. So guys, before I call it a day, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, react on this video, and go to the comment section. How much are you having inside CBEX for now? Let me know in the comment section so we can know how we can manage the risk together. So guys, thank you for watching this video till we meet again.